Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. It's World Watch lecture of class 5. As you know, we are discussing our unit number 3, that is settlement. And in our previous lecture, we discussed about a fishing settlement in Pakistan. We discussed about we discussed that Abdurrahman Ghat is a small fishing village that is not far from Karachi, and how fishermen use the gill nets for fishing the fish, and the fishermen store their fish in ice, and after that how many types of fish they catch, a lot of fish they catch, and that village is near the Karachi. And today we will discuss about a fishing settlement in Gambia, Africa. Today we will discuss about fishing settlement in Gambia or Africa. Tenji. Tenji is a small fishing village in Gambia, and Gambia is smallest country in Africa. In Africa, Gambia is the smallest country, and in Gambia there is a small village for fishing, that is Tenji. And Tenji has about 3,000 people. A lot of people live in Tenji. That is a small village that is used for fishing the fish. And in Africa, people use that village for fishing. And village is very close to the sea, and many people work as fishermen in Gambia. People live in large houses of 20 to 40 people. In Gambia, in Tangi, there are large houses of people, and 20 to 40 people can live in that house. And this village has a primary school, a mixed fuel station, fishery center, shops, museum, and a market. And the fishermen use gill nets to catch bonga fish, which is main fish. They use gill nets to catch bonga fish, and they use drift nets to catch barracuda, catfish, and jack. They use two types of nets, gill nets and drift nets. Gill nets used for catching the main fish, and drift nets are used to catch barracuda, catfish, and jackfish. And in afternoon, the fishermen return to shore, and they keep some of the fish to eat themselves, and the rest is sold. And fish are Gambia's second most important export after peanuts. In Gambia, peanuts are export to other countries, and after the peanuts, fish are the most important export for other countries. Okay, students. Then today we have discussed about a fishing settlement in Gambia, that is the smallest country in Africa. In Gambia, Tangi is a small fishing village, and Gambia is smallest country in Africa. And in Tangi has about 3,000 people, and this village is very close to the sea. That's why people use this village for fishing, and many people work as fishermen, and people live in large houses of 20 to 40 people, and they use gill nets to catch bonga, which is main fish, and they use drift nets to catch barracuda, catfish, and jack. In afternoon, the fishermen return to shore, and they keep some of the fish to eat themselves, and the rest is sold. And fish are Gambia's second most important export after peanuts. Okay, students, today we have discussed about a fishing settlement in Gambia, that is the smallest country in Africa. And you will learn all these points. After learning all these points, you can learn this question easily. Okay, students, I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.